Hello everyone, or should I say, howdy, that's better. Guess where we are? You guessed it, Aggieland, which is the home of Texas A&M University in College Station, Texas, where I had an amazing opportunity to spot for trains. See, this photo was taken back in April of this year, but that's not all. I also have a t-shirt that shows a picture of a Union Pacific 1943 SD-70AH, and it's titled Spirit of the Union Pacific. I always wear that shirt while I'm out rail fanning. Speaking of that, yes, there will be a bunch of Union Pacific freight trains that you're going to see in this entire video. But just I wanted to let you know ahead of time before we start this video, I wanted to apologize that this video wasn't fully edited real well because, for one, the editing got messed up while processing, and second of all, the camera was ridiculously having a horrible hard time focusing when I saw the second train come. So I unfortunately had to cut out certain parts of that clip. But other than that, it's not all that bad at all. And yes, I am a Texas Aggie, but I don't technically attend school there. Anyway, enough chatter, let's begin the video. For your information, this first train that I've captured was filmed on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. The rest of the train videos are all filmed on my 4K Handycam video camera. Nice honking! I love how they did the toot-toot. Which one? Yeah, they have to toot the horn. Well, it goes like this. They have a horn pattern when they approach a public railroad crossing. Yeah. They do 2 long for the first, and then 1 short, and then 1 long. When they do that toot-toot, that means usually when they see a rail fan, right next to the tracks videotaping, they just give them a communication. This is why I did the signal. You can see up there, you see those black things? Those are all the oil tankers. Yeah, yeah, especially when the oil tanker, it depends on what they carry, because if it derails, usually it happens when it derails, and it hits something, causing the lid to splatter open, that's what it'll happen. That's oil tank cars. And you see, those are grain trains. See that white thing? Those are grain. And now we got oil tankers again. That is a mixed freight train. See, these are all oil tanker cars. There's your grain. See, those are grain cars, right? These are all grain. There's oil tankers.
I'm not sure what that is. I believe that is a rail car that loads up logs, like heavy wooden logs on it. No freight cars. I actually saw an EMD in Bryan. I saw that one. Just a locomotive. Yeah, I know. They also have white versions of the oil tanks. Yeah, I just saw it. I just caught it on camera. My favorite spot on Railfanning is usually over there, if you don't know.
You can go there after you eat here. But you can't dip across the street anymore from the top. You have to go there.
Yeah, that's why they have a tunnel down below.
Yeah, you can't cross from the, you know, like where the hotel is, right?
Yes.
You can't cross from the hotel to Elbert Level Airport. You can only go down through the tunnel.
Yeah, that is why they made this tunnel, because they don't want people to fall.
Exit like right there.
Yes. I think that. Sorry, my camera had a hard time focusing when that second train come, but I decided to get a video of it anyways. This looks like a coal train to me. That was a coal train. And there goes a bus. But I believe that that train is an SD70 ACE. There goes a coal train right there. I unfortunately was not able to get that locomotive head, but oh, look, there goes a DPU. I found a DPU. There goes a DPU. All right, and that's it. Sorry about that abrupt start. I couldn't capture that front locomotive well because the camera had a hard time focusing, which was really ridiculous. But anyways, that'll be it. All right, here comes the train. There goes the gate. All right, here it comes. Shave it a haircut, yay! Oh, look at that, it's a Coltrane. The same Coltrane like I saw on the second one, I think. Looks like that train is going a lot slower than all the other ones that I've captured.
Well, as you can probably tell why the video has automatically paused, that's because something has malfunctioned, causing part of my video to become messed up, while the final result was in the process of exporting. But thankfully, not all was bad, as I got a good video for the most part. But I'm sure I will likely go back there again to get an even more better shot of it, which hopefully I'll get a chance to whenever I go back to Texas A&M again. Despite some minor technical fails, not all was really that bad. So anyways, that's gonna do it for this Railfanning video up in the College Station area located on the Texas A&M's campus. Thank you all so much for watching, and as always, gig 'em. Oh yeah, and not to mention, happy fall as well.